Okay, students, last time we have solved the exercise number 2.4. In this one, till question number 8 we have solved. Now today we will see and solve the question number 9. So what is the question number 9 here? Use the correct order of operation to calculate the following. Use the correct order of operation. Correct order of operation to calculate the following. In this one, question number 8, 2 plus half, 2 plus half divided by 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. So this is question number 9. So first question, 2 plus half divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So this is a kind of mixed problem. Mixed problem in the sense, here it is addition, here division, here subtraction. So use the correct order of operation to calculate the following. Correct, what is the correct order of operation? Correct order of operation means that is word mass. In which order we use to solve the question? That is what? That you must have read already. That is called word mass. BODMAS. So B means first solve, if there is, solve the bracket. Before bracket, one more Bensulum will also come. That is called line bracket also. So first this, after that bracket, this is Bensulum. This is what? Brackets. This is off. This is divide, the division. This is multiplication. This is addition. And this is subtraction. So this is the correct order of solving this sort of problem. इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम को का करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑपरेशन क्या है ये? पहले वैल्यूम मीन्स अगर कोई ऐसे लिखा होगा 2 प्लस 3 माइनस 9 माइनस 7. So in this one, other one line is drawn. This is small bracket, and here also minus 5 this way, and here one line is given. So this line is called Vanishulum, or this is also called line bracket. So Usually, how many types of brackets we used to do? This also a kind of bracket. Then a small bracket, then curly bracket, and this box bracket or big bracket. So this four type of brackets are there. So इसके ब्रैकेट के सीक्वेंस में पहले लाइन ब्रैकेट, देन स्मॉल ब्रैकेट, उसके बाद अगर कर्ली ब्रैकेट है तो कर्ली ब्रैकेट, और उसके बाद अगर बिग ब्रैकेट है तो बिग ब्रैकेट. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ सॉल्विंग द ब्रैकेट्स. 1 2 3 4. आफ्टर ब्रैकेट्स वी विल सॉल्व द ऑफ, देन डिवीजन, फिर मल्टीप्लाई, फिर एडिशन, फिर subtraction. So this is the correct order. So by following this order, we have to solve it. So in this question, just read one by one. Plus half divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So this way, first Benson, there is no Benson, leave it. Bracket, there is no bracket, leave also that. Half is not there, but addition, division and subtraction is there. So out of these three, which we will solve first? That is division. So first we will solve these two, then after addition, then subtraction. So this way, first start solving. 2 plus half divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So division, how we used to solve? As you know that 1 by 2 is divided by 1 by 3. So 1 by 2, if it is divided by 1 by 3, so for solving the division, we used to convert into multiplication, that is by divisor का रेसिप्रोकल हम लोग बना लेते हैं. किसी डिवीजन को सॉल्व करने के लिए फ्रैक्शन का व्हाट वी डू, बी डिवाइजर का रेसिप्रोकल कर लेते हैं. सो इट देन अगर इसका हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं तो ये डिवीजन जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नाउ वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू फैक्टर्स. सो दिस इज 2 plus 1 into 3 3 and 2 into 1 2 minus 1 by 5. Now first addition subtraction. Addition subtraction we can solve together also if only addition and subtraction is there. So by taking the LCM we can solve. So here it is 2 by 1, it is 3 by 2, it is minus 1 by 5. So take the LCM of this one. 1 to 5. So LCM will become 10. 1 10 ja 10, 10 into 2 20. Plus 2 5 ja 10, 5 into 3 15. 5 2 ja 10 2. In this one first divide and after that subtract. So 20 plus 15, 35 minus 2. 35 minus 2 upon 10. So it has become 33 upon 10. So this is the answer of 2.4 question number 9. So by using the correct order of operation the 2.4, that is question number 9. 33 upon 10. So this has become the answer of 2.4. 2.4, that is 2.4, question number 9. Now next question we will see. This is question number 8. Now we will see question number B. Question B. 1/3 divided by 1/2 plus 1/4. This is also very easy. Here only no bracket, no off, no epsilon, only division and addition is there. So out of these two, first we will solve the division. So that is 1/3 multiplied by 2/1 plus 1/4. Multiply first, 2 1 is 2 and 3 1 is 3 plus 1/4. Take the LCM. Here it has become 12. 3 4 is 12, 4 2 is 8 plus 4 3 is 12, 3 1 is 3. Then 8 plus 3, 11 upon 12. That will be the answer of B. So answer of B will become what? 11/12. So this is the answer of the question number B. Now question number C. Three plus half divided by 2 minus half. 3 plus half divided by 2 minus half. So in previous problem, what we have seen, there was no bracket. What is this one? Small brackets are there. So first we will solve the bracket. BODMAS means first solve the bracket. So first we will solve the addition of this thing. So this is equal to, take the LCM here, 3/1. So that is 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, 6, plus 1 divided by, same way this one also, take the LCM, 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, minus 2 1 ja 1, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, divided by 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Now this is simple division. So as I have told you, in the division, what we used to do first? We do first divisor को multiplication में convert करो, multiplied by 2 by 3. So 7 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. So this equal cancel also, minus 2, 2, 2 cancel. So this will become how much? 7 by 3. So this is the answer of the question number C. Now one more question is, that is question number D, 5.5 into, in the bracket, 4.5 minus 7 by 2, bracket closed, divided by 2 whole 1 by 3, divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. So this way your this exercise number 2.4 will be also solved, but one question is remaining, that is question D. Question D, 5.5 into 4.5 divided by, not divided, it is minus 7 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. So in this one there is bracket, multiplication, subtraction and division. So according to the rule, first we will so this you can write 2 5 ja 10 plus 1 11 by 2. Here inside 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9 by 2 minus 7 by 2 divided by 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now out of this, first we will solve the bracket, inside the bracket. So 9 by 2 minus 7 by 2, if the denominator is equal, so directly you will subtract from 9 to 7. So this you can write 11 by 2, 9 minus 7, 2 by 2 divided by 7 by 3. Now remove the bracket. 11 by 2 into 3 by 7. 11 by 2 into 3 by 7. So this is 11 by 2 multiplied by 2 4 8 plus 1 9 by 2, 9 minus 7 2 by 2. It has become 2 by 2, that you can write 1 divided by 7 by 3. Now ultimately it has become a question of multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. So out of this, first we will solve this. So what will come? 11 by 2 into 1 multiplied by 3 by 7. So we can cancel anything. 2, 3, 7, 11. So 33 upon 14. The answer is coming how much? So this way, this is multiplication, this is multiplication. So 11 into 1 into 3, this will become 11, 1 by 11 into 3, 33 upon 14. So this will be the answer of D. So question number 9 का A, B, C, D all has been solved. So this is the chapter number 2 is now you have finished completely. Chapter number 2 you have finished completely, and remaining now next class we will solve the chapter number, we will start the chapter number 3. This is all about today's class. Thank you very much. Okay.